Yeah. Hey, well, thank everybody, for participating, for coming here, for helping out. Then, much you had no good thing is that I then Jimmy more than Jimmy High Day. She more than had to pop top to pay no more, and then continue on like activities.
Okay.
When's your baby coming? What's your baby's name? Oh, so Jenny my high man. Yeah.
Okay, well,
Either one.
It's okay. Thanks everybody for coming and joining us today, and thank you for everybody who was here to help with cooking, cleaning, and everything with all their hard work. It's a very special day to welcome a baby coming soon in July 12th. That's the due date. And as of name-wise, we're thinking we picked out 2 names, so we'll see what the baby will be called. It's either Haley or Aubrey. And then as of the Hmong name, we're still kind of deciding.
That's
just that. Yeah, so we're still thinking about the Hmong name, but we'll see when baby comes. But thank you everybody for joining us today.
And is it a boy or girl?
It's a girl. Well, will you call your boy named Haley or Aubrey?
With that age, power. Those don't have family next.
Hey, we're trying to be open-minded.
Binary.
Hey, you don't know until the boy and girl.
Yeah.
You don't know for sure.
Yes, it could be Aubrey Pink. Okay. All right. Since you're joining us, so stay tight, hang tight, stay with us for a little bit. It's probably just gonna be maybe an hour or so with this whole thing. Okay?
How do they win prizes?
They will win prize. Okay, since we're starting, I'm gonna open the first bag. I have a lot of stuff from Minnesota, so it's like all wrapped in like Target bags and Amazon bags.
She's gonna be the only one talking.
It's fine.
Good job.
I'm here.
Like sit on the camera.
Bottle water.
This little bag here is from my aunt,
No.
Totoma.
Bottle water.
So thank you, Paul, for
In the cooler.
giving me a gift.
The whole laptop. Okay.
Water.
Yeah, the whole
water.
That's fine.
Yeah, in the cooler.
There's not a lot of
We're not
space.
tech support here.
I was like, I don't think this is for me. It's for my daughter when she's like.
Oh, that's probably the pants Peng was talking about.
Oh,
They're looking
my pants. This is my pants. That's my pants.
Somebody's
For
joining.
your future.
This is for my future daughter.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
My future daughter.
Your cousin B joined.
Hi. Thank you for joining us.
Cousin.
Vashiluyan, yeah.
Uncle.
Yeah,
Oh.
Vashiluyan. So this is my oldest brother.
She
you
wants
guys.
to join the big talent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just opening pudding called complete. So thank you,
Oh, so
Auntie.
cute.
These are so cute.
I think we should join online too.
Yeah.
Make it seem like there's a lot more people.
Open up your phone because there's nobody there. It's a little embarrassed, though.
It's okay. There's some blankets for baby.
You know who are the important ones. Come on.
So here you go. And there's some more. It seems like a whole bunch more blankets.
Target.
It's all from Target.
Minnesota, they get Target.
We love Target in Minnesota.
Yeah. Target.
So this one doesn't have names, so this must be from my mom.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
thank you, Mom. I don't think you're live, but what's on? Yeah. Don't get your complete on.
No, I should call mom.
No, Mom, they're not live. They're busy. But I'm just saying it, you know, just in case.
For the
Yeah.
video.
For the video.
For the
That's
video.
because they're
It's gonna be
I'm
recorded.
guessing they're doing a meeting
So-
about the changes.
Yeah. So they're gonna stream it later.
Next weekend, I think.
Yeah. Okay, so
It's
all
streamed live and
we have
recorded.
lots of baby blankets. And I guess this is more for mom since there's no name
Yeah, your mom.
Yeah,
there's
just one
a
bay
bunch
mom.
of fabrics. Mommy, you're gonna have a lot of practice too. Mommy,
Why you gotta put balls on first? Luke?
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is from
You know how
mom.
big he is.
Thank you, mom, for the gifts. This is my aunt's daughter.
Nobody wants to sit down.
What do you sit over here? Anybody else?
Yeah, my cousins. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, they might buy it.
Purples. Cute
Back
set.
from Maine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's my picture of my
And a cute blanket with it too, purple.
No, this are flash flood.
So dark.
Okay, so who is this from? From your mom?
Feeling free if I don't
Okay.
get a
Oh.
shirt.
I guess for the video too. Thank you. Thank you, Ying.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Pao Ying's gonna be called Pao Ying.
Oh, you must so.
Your mom went and bought some fabric
Yeah,
too.
she's sewing.
Oh, you got it all fast now, Buggy.
She didn't really sew it, but
你们讲。
你们解释
Teka mo.
結果嘛都少。
So that means you need to try to teach the town. What is that?
Yeah, she didn't know about this. You know, to make it last longer. Cause some
Seam the edges together.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay, just stand back. We do it then.
Tomorrow.
no
Same go home
return.
tomorrow. You bring
Yeah,
back.
来点没好像。
yeah.
Okay.
好 complete， 好 complete。
Oh.
你要好搞到 buggy。
Take your time, man.
Buggy。
Tay line嘛。
Okay, sure. 俾嘛。Wow. 個好 complete 啊 here.
Oh.
This is for Adam.
This is the money I gave them. And they're giving it back to me.
You're welcome. About that counts.
Alright.
We got
We got a super mat dino. This is like a mat for your car seat.
That's exactly what you needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you, my chong from Hawaii.
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you, my chong.
You guys got family everywhere.
I haven't sent my children a gift. I haven't tried to go to the post office.
It's on the line.
It's
It's in the line. Send it to my phone.
Alright. And then
Should know
there's
now.
also
Weird,
the
loving
Munchkin fresh feeder and some Advent bottles. This one's from my Nia, Vicky. Thank you, Vicky.
Target brand.
Yeah, it's all Target brand.
We love Target.
I know, I used to work. This is like a super Lee.
Oh, Lee, where's our discount?
No, you could have given everybody a discount.
That's from me.
Discount not back there.
For you guys. Thank you, Kujan
We
and
return
Addison.
everything back if you buy it again. so you
Cutie
discount.
boots.
Oh, that's
Mermaid.
You guys gotta read the books.
Yep.
Yeah.
The
We
kid learns
need a
fast.
book collection.
There's YouTube for that.
Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Look,
So
you got
get
the
your parents.
Cocomelon. That's all they know.
Tablet?
On the
Tablet?
night.
YouTube?
Yeah.
It's not good for the eyes.
He's got the auto read on.
Yeah.
you know, Audible.
We need a tablet?
No tablet.
No, they need Amazon Prime for the kid.
Yeah.
Okay. So who's Oh, I guess this is from mom too.
You got the one where you
yeah,
got the
from-
pin
yeah.
and it'll read you.
There you go. That's what you thought. That's what you thought you got earlier.
Yeah.
Me right there.
Ganon, yo soy Adam, Amy Yuan.
Those colors match him perfectly. About time.
No, we go buy the little machine thing for the baby.
Technology, y'all.
I don't think
You
money.
use
I
that
don't
one.
know
Don't
where
get that.
shipping and and their gifts are.
It's somewhere
It's
Yeah.
All together, yeah.
see him.
yeah, because I
I
think this is all.
You
the
got
pack.
Jeffrey ours, right? The one that we
Yeah,
sent.
we
Okay,
got, we
okay.
got yours and
Buggy.
yeah.
You and Kujan can
Okay.
develop these self-strapping diapers.
Nah, it's too dangerous.
Yeah.
A single button Bluetooth.
Is there like some
She's
styling
like,
here too? That one is heavy.
wow, what's in there?
I don't know. It's kind
Diaper bag?
It's a tablet. Buggy wanted it.
Wow, it's got wipes on the side. You know, Buggy.
Yeah, there's wipes already on the side.
Well, it's probably packed already.
Wow, it's already packed. There's some more.
That's your on-the-go bag.
For the
One extra.
Does it wipe the baby for you too?
You can help Buggy develop that too.
backside. There's
We need the one that you just throw the baby in there and it just comes back out clean.
Oh, there's a whole bunch.
packed stuff for all the baby we needed.
Wow.
Wow, I don't know
Who that
That's
is?
from Dang.
Oh, that's for Zane.
It's for Michelle.
That makes
From
sense
Michelle
now.
Day.
That makes sense
This
now.
is cute. I think we should cut on.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a hospital bag.
Mm.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Okay.
Okay.
And then there's some
And then-
self-strapping diapers in there.
Highest
The
tech.
muslin blankets. Very
You just
cute
press
color.
the button and it does this though.
Oh, and a little touch of the activity book. This is cute. And then a diaper bag for Buggy. This is all Buggy's bag.
Yeah.
Cái con ăn không tay nè.
You got plenty of those already.
Stop tying.
You have plenty of those
You're
already.
gonna have to sew another
forgot.
bag on the side of that. Or you can just
We need an extension on this.
I know. I need a pack of gloves.
There's no DLC. No DLC.
But you're gonna need face masks too.
Yeah.
No.
Can't say it.
Hey, Buddy needs one or one.
It's
No
the safety
fan.
glasses in
Girl.
case
Face
it,
shield.
in case it gets in the eye.
Ping and Naisha. Thank you, Ping, Naisha. How much money?
Is it a
Oh,
bath
is it
shop
Target?
gift card?
Is it Target? Visa card. I wonder how much, huh, Buggy?
$500. Did you see? $500.
Is it a Bass Pro gift card?
I thought about it.
15 grand, right? Y'all wanted 15 grand.
Yeah.
No, the baby actually needs 3 new fish finders.
You said 15 grand, right?
No, the baby needs 3 new fish finders.
Life scopes.
With life scope,
With a travel
get a
pillow.
platoon boat.
Buggy, you're gonna be traveling a lot with babies. So
Yeah, on the boat. Yeah, on the boat, man.
The Mega Live is out now.
The baby needs that.
Yeah.
We see.
King, oh, this is Banger King.
It's important and watching every time.
Alright. Oh, from Allison and Kugan. Thank you.
Hey, Shalai.
It's money.
Mom.
You don't need that big old box.
Dang, give the scissors. The scissors.
Cough forward.
You good?
You gotta reuse the wrapper. You gotta open
In
it
the
slow.
box.
Sure, sir, huh?
You gotta reuse the wrapper. What about you? It's not gonna reuse wrapper. They didn't like that saying.
Buggy's done nice.
Here, you can open this portion.
Y'all could just left it in that box.
Since I got all the Amazon box anyway.
Yeah.
We're just joking.
It's the thought that counts.
Yes.
Fragile.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Amazon, return it. Amazon, return
It's the wrong side anyway.
it. Amazon, return it. It's fine.
Somebody's mad.
Play I learned. Happy baby house.
Just one day up.
It's for Amazon. It's for Amazon.
Like a farmhouse.
Oh, a little farmhouse. Oh,
Like Amazon my hook.
Animal. Oh, Mimi will love that. Mimi will love that. Mimi's like my gift. Oh, this is cute.
Where's she at?
Sleeping.
Sound asleep.
Oh, she's napping.
Which I doubt she's
She
napping.
probably would have run and grabbed it. Like, my gift. Here, open
Drop
this one.
off or?
I don't know.
Oh, hey, pal.
Hey, pal.
Food's over there on the side. Oh, there's some food. Yo, mama. Oh, it's okay.
Go on in. Go on in.
Why don't you turn them on? There's
Oh, yeah.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
You're late.
Okay. Who's this from?
They didn't get an invite.
Everybody's like perfect.
They didn't get an invite.
It's like 6 o'clock.
They didn't get an invite.
No, it's not my
I guess
fault.
this is from an anonymous person that sent it to me through Amazon. Thank you. It's the little snack cups.
It was me.
There's
It just said
no
2
name.
Jennies, huh?
Oh,
From Adam.
I'll take the credit. I'll take the credit.
Okay, what's in this little big box here?
Ồ, cái này nhả nè.
Yeah.
It just came.
Chỉ muốn bay, chỉ muốn chịu thế nè.
Remember, we only
They have
Yeah.
some of them put like notes and stuff.
No, Jenny, say you're Jenny.
No.
So, Jenny, you're Mel, Jenny. So.
Yeah.
I didn't know they were sponsored by Amazon.
Enjoy your gifts. Sorry we couldn't be in there in person to celebrate with you from Taiying and Panya. Oh, thank you, Taiying. Thank you, Panya.
It just came in today?
Yeah, it just came in today.
Wow.
Whoa.
perfect
Oh,
timing.
bunch of came in today earlier.
Yeah, perfect timing.
Yeah, perfect timing. All
They're
for
all
Buggy.
here.
Buggy have plenty
Wow.
of diapers.
They're good?
Wow.
It's a lot of weight.
Those are the self-drying diapers.
Diaper. Alright, 12 hours.
These are the new technology, huh?
Wow, I didn't know the Pamper had that kind of new style.
yeah.
These are Pampers.
Okay.
Wait. You mean there's the diapers that you leave it on for like a whole week?
Yeah, I think so. And then we tried to think so.
So
Girl, perfect one that Buggy wants. Buggy doesn't have to change the diaper at all.
New technology now.
The fuzzy diapers.
There's no name on this one. Well, eventually this is another anonymous person that bought it from Amazon. It's a little cup. Thank you.
There's a slip inside.
For baby when they're born.
No, it's for you don't need
For your
refill.
first daughter,
That's for the
Fashion.
boba.
Fashion will test it out.
It's the no refill bottle. You just eat it all night.
Man, all the technology they have babies.
Oh, from Taiying and Panya again. Thank you, Taiying and Panya. Oh, this is cute. I won't open it, but we'll leave it in the bag. And this box. Huh?
Just don't know
On
how
the
to
box
use
there?
Well, it's dangerous.
Buggy might cut
Look,
himself.
we
You're gonna have to take that
Hey, we spent too much money on the
Give Buggy
present.
some gloves.
Look, we spent too much money on the present. We don't have enough for our
Dave, we need an end service on the scissors.
I got you.
Give them some safety
I'm gonna need everybody to sign off.
Baby gift carrier.
Oh, from Taiying and Panya again.
Oh,
Well, thank
wow.
you. Baby
Wait,
carrier.
How do you do that?
How do
You're
you
gonna find out.
I don't know.
You're gonna find out. soon.
It's a little different than my C's.
It looks like a belt where
It's
you
just
it
a
looks like
bill.
a
gotta
Oh,
hold
you
on.
still have to hold the baby. Yeah, you still have to
You
hold the
still gotta
baby.
hold
It's
on.
in bills.
It's a shelf.
Yeah, it's a shell.
It's a walking belt.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then this is
That would
from
definitely help
China and Yeah. Thank you, China and Yeah.
I don't know where
So-
Jasmine came in.
Barbie claw.
This is
Alright, who picked this? No, y'all did.
Who
No,
picked
I
this?
wasn't there. Who picked the pig?
Who
Oh,
picked
like
it?
that.
It's like a
Mommy did the whole thing.
Man.
Mommy did the whole
Boy.
I was watching TV in my room.
Are
You
you
didn't care
sure?
about
What show was on?
Are you? Y'all sure y'all
This is like a
bought
lot of stuff.
Yeah, rất là China.
Mama Shark Buggy's like, more clothes.
They get the big box.
Mm.
Get the big box
And then
first.
there's hats and mitts.
Daddy.
Cute. Oh, these are icy keys, so we don't have to buy
The room box.
teething toys.
Oh yeah, you're gonna need that.
Mitts.
Those don't work.
Dang, y'all got a good care package.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, those are y'all all clothes.
This is cute. This is a lot.
Wow. That's why you're
This is
close
cute.
here.
This is like a
Oh, hell, we gotta get more.
Come on, let go.
Kenny, you need to switch.
Your hands full.
Oh, this is like a little
Your hands full.
hooded towel and washcloth. This is cute box.
Yeah.
Oh, the rattle shake.
Every baby has that.
Yep.
What's that just said for winter and fall?
Yep.
Yeah.
Winter and fall.
Yeah.
I didn't need to buy any clothes.
Like you
No.
said, up to like 6 months.
Wow.
Some wild ball mommy.
Mm.
These are cute.
Dude, these look just like how Bella is dressed. They're gonna be twins.
Yep, they
Yeah.
can be twins. Oh,
That's nice.
okay, and then there's more baby.
You have enough.
Yeah, we have plenty.
Wow. You
For
didn't buy any?
two babies, 3 babies.
Look, he's like,
Is that 2, 3?
he's like, there's something you're not sure of.
Oh, you're like,
Y'all getting twins or triplets?
When we moved to Minnesota.
Alright, there's the dish soap bottles. Oh, we got plenty of Johnson shampoo here now.
You'll go through those a lot.
Yeah, and some lotion.
洗不这么洗啊
Yo, ma.
Buggy use it too.
Some wipes. And then detergent.
Wow.
This is a
So,
complete care
You
package.
even got a hamper right there
We
too.
barely
yeah,
have
and a hamper.
Man, I didn't know that.
Jazzy.
Okay.
And your buggy did it too.
You
You
get a lot of
Do
rats.
you not want some gifts?
Yeah.
It's just not good. Yeah,
It feels
the
good.
best is just run water. That's the best.
Thank you.
Wait, let me put it.
Alright,
Hey.
You're talking about when they're little, every hour, so you gotta change
Ah, this is cute wrap. Is this for you, Cece?
No.
Oh, for you and Paul? Thank you.
You can just look at it.
Yeah, we'll look at it. It's like also a care package. Everything's in here too. We'll look through it.
Is it yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Buggy
There's
still.
some gum, which is so much, yeah.
Buggy's like,
I saved this for you. There you go.
Oh, this is cute shoes. Oh, it's like the gum cleaning. Soon enough, 6 months with buggy. Come on, beats one.
My wife didn't want me to put some camouflage uniforms up in there.
that's why you gotta sneak in the Bass Pro Shop gift card.
I need a fish finder.
Thank you, some washcloth,
times 3.
Barbie cloth. Oh, these are
Yeah,
cute
gotta find
colorful
a
Barbie
baby
cloth.
fish.
It's like princess. Ah, a knitted blanket. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, baby has a lot of
She's
this.
she only wants
She's really
that.
gonna be a spoiled baby.
She's only gonna want that blanket.
You can wear each outfit one time.
Mm-hmm.
She's only gonna want that blanket too.
Hey,
Outfits a day.
I hope you have enough Nike milk, okay?
Aww.
You gotta set them up by
Be
months.
kind, yes. The baby
See how much you
needs
actually
time.
have.
Me. You think Bajon's bad? She's gonna go through 10 outfits a day. Wednesday, Buggy's baby's gonna need Nike milk.
Oh, wait.
She's gonna be, I look dirty. You're not dirty. I look dirty.
Here.
Change it.
And the last gift.
the last gift. And oh, for a second I was like,
They use the same boat.
Yeah.
oh, this is from Cecilia? Ah, so you were trying to trick me by carrying your mom's gift and then your mom carrying yours. Thank you, Cece. Medicine spoon, perfect. Just like that. Here's another teething toy. And some washcloth. Some more washcloth for you and baby wipes. Alright. This is the last gift.
Rồi trời, cái móc thiêu này thế nè.
So we
Yeah.
opened a lot beforehand that was sent to me. So thank you everybody who's on live stream with us, that has sent me gifts online, and all those that are not, here with us today. Thank you for sending me gifts for my baby. It's too short. Hold on. Let me show you guys.
Yeah.
It's too short.
Okay.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Alright, take your screen away. It's not right. Bye.
Nice shot.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
Nya Jeffries.
Hey, we gotta go in a circle. So
Oh,
yeah,
say
nobody's not
49.
cheating.
Dạ.
See how close it is?
It's way too long.
Yeah, when you want to mark it, see how close on.
That's why the Mark's page was except too long.
Too long.
Right around right there.
You should have some
You do more.
Yeah.
So she's the closest right now.
Gonna get it, what? First one.
Alright.
So she's the closest right now.
He's gonna get it, what?
Okay, who wants to? Okay, so this is Jeffrey.
We're too long.
Way too long. So this one we're just gonna.
Yeah, no, yeah, it's just she's tired.
All right, Rose.
Yeah, she's tired now.
Okay. So this is Rose. This is Rose.
No, she made it hurt. She's like, Jenny's twice of me, so.
Okay, this is Mary's.
They were out the picture.
Mary Lee
Close
Dill.
out, yeah.
倒了哟，卢少安。It's still too long. Yeah, Jeffries is still the closest.
We gotta save the best for last. I got it.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay, who wants to be next?
Y'all can't be cutting off inches now.
Am I close? Am I closer than me?
Y'all can't be cutting off inches now.
All right. Here's Mace.
I think she's the same size as I am.
All right, this is Mace.
Shut measure me. I told you.
How's that cheating?
I think I
Oh,
will.
that's way too much.
Oh, this is
I think
Mace.
that's the most. You have the most out of
All right.
Thank you.
I won.
All right. Let's see Danes.
Bang long.
Even longer than me. It's even longer than me.
I mean, that would be longer.
Almost like
Twice as
Throw
much.
that one
circumference
away.
with semi.
That's not even close.
But he's cheating.
Buggy, you're cheating, Buggy.
We should not measure.
Wow.
I still have
How?
nothing.
可能薄荷，薄荷 is like almost longer than Danes.
When they lay down on the floor.
All right.
Give
Give
them
them
double.
Give them back. Give them back.
Oh,
Yours is
Michelle.
last. Buggy's is gonna be last.
Bella. Oh, I should have said.
My feet. Oh, no.
No, it's still too long. Michelle's is too long. It's like about the same as Danes.
They're gonna say it, dang.
Yeah, it's like the same as Danes.
I'm using mine.
Good job.
These are yours.
It might be close. Okay, good job.
Don't make fun of my baby.
Wait. What size pants you wear?
Yeah,
Oh, that's me.
Oh,
that's me.
Grandma.
Yeah, foundation.
Grandma cut
Wow.
everything up. Okay, let's see the last one.
There's
Let's
more.
say- is there more?
Allison, Naisha, Paige.
Allison, Naisha. Okay, Buggy's gonna be last. Buggy, why are you cheating? Kuja's the closest.
Oh!
That's another tie one too. Cheated. Look. It's right.
Oh! They cheated.
They made it out. They on the tire.
Hey,
Come
not
on.
both of the old buggy batteries. That is your prize.
Buggy mom, Buggy caught you cheated, Buggy Blair. Adam's still too long. He didn't get it.
You're like 5 inches off.
Anybody else?
Anybody else?
Oh, her.
That one.
John's got it.
We did that.
Okay, congratulations, Kujan. So the actual interests were how much?
The online people.
41.5.
Been a
Yep.
couple years.
Who got it online?
41.5.
Who's the
42.
closest?
You guys are actually off.
The closest online is Pansy. Pansy has the closest one. Okay, so now we're gonna play the second game.
Wait,
okay?
what'd the winner get?
Yeah. High five.
Bragging rights.
Who's closer? John or Naisha?
Kujan. Kujan.
Oh, the winner gets two
Kujan,
faces and the
Kujan,
baby
and
first.
Yeah, and then Aisha.
Oh wow.
Okay, so the next